Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to force restart your Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time, just like that. Now as you can see, the power menu has appeared on the screen. Just keep pressing the volume down button and the power button at the same time until the Samsung logo appears on the screen. Then release your hands off the buttons. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to reboot. And this is how you can force restart your Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.